The following is taken from an article posted on the findlaw.com website regarding the age in which children could be left home alone or otherwise unsupervised. Some states provide a legal age to leave a child home alone. Most states, however, do not. There are, however, some guidelines that have been provided by a collaboration of states and the Department of Health and Human Services to assist parents in making the decision to leave their child home alone. These guidelines include: a child aged 7 and under cannot be left alone at home for any period of time. This also includes leaving the child unattended in the car, unattended in the backyard, or unattended at the playground. This is a vulnerable age, and leaving them unattended would be a high risk to their safety. A child ages 8 to 10 is permitted to be home alone only during daylight or early morning hours for no longer than 1.5 hours. A child ages 11 to 12 can be left alone during the day for up to 3 hours, but not late at night. A child ages 13 to 15 is permitted to be left unsupervised, but not overnight. And a child ages 16 to 17 can be left unsupervised for up to 2 days. According to the Tennessee Court's website, there is no legal age for children to stay at home alone. Parents are advised to use their best judgment, keeping the child's maturity level and safety issues in mind. Younger children have a greater need for supervision and care than older children. Obviously, young children under age 10 should not be left without supervision at any time. In most cases, older teenage children may be left alone for short periods of time. Leaving a child home alone, or otherwise unsupervised as previously mentioned, can be construed as child neglect or abuse. So when we hear this,
because she loved to be outside all the time, and that was her, unfortunately, her downfall. 'Cause a lot of times the boys would be inside and we'd be like, "Where's Summer? Why'd you leave her out there alone? Go get Summer now." And that's happened over and over again. And we'd come out and she would always be close by, but we was always coming up. She had to be outside. She was an outdoor person.
what we're actually hearing is a parent admitting to a pattern of neglect, knowingly and casually. In this revealing confession, Don acknowledges that they left Summer alone, outside, repeatedly, all while low-key blaming Summer's minor brothers for it. Don distances himself from the consequences of parental supervision failures by narrating them as routine sibling dynamics. Summer's so-called downfall and the boy's inattention become the lapse, not the absence of adult supervision. How young is too young to leave a child home alone or unsupervised in the backyard? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below.